Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican vibes, fiery. So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. True Jamaican vibes. So right now I am in cool Mandeville, Manchester. So I am at the New Green roundabout. I'm gonna take you all to the Mud Lake and also to our old train station in Williamsfield, Manchester. So keep on watching, guys. True Jamaican vibes, fire Reid.
In the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems.
Some people so don't know me. I take a walk over the Mud Lake now, so we can keep on watching, you know, say fire Reid, true Jamaican vibes, you know. With a tour guide, taking you to any place in Jamaica where you want to go. And just tune into the channel. Yeah, man, and always remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, you know. So I'm going to take it over to the Mud Lake. So keep on watching, you know. Yeah, man, see, you know, a place green and pretty. Cool Mandeville. Also get a nice hillside view. Hillside view up into Hambury side. So you know I'm on very close to Winston Jones Highway. Yeah, man, see all them banana. So welcome to Mandeville, Manchester, Mud Lake.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, darling. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't.
So yes, my people, right now I am in Williamsfield area in Manchester. Yes, my people, so we can take a view of the Williamsfield, a very small town area. Very close to the Manchester train station. So take a view of Williamsfield area. And always remember to like my channel, share and subscribe. True Jamaican vibes. So also in Williamsfield you have a coffee factory in Williamsfield. Straight ahead, a lot of person cross that bridge. So sometimes we need to take a walk in the area and see how the place set up, you know. So I'm gonna take you over to the old train station in Williamsfield. Danger, heavy plant movements. So first, always remember when working in an environment, always think about safety. Personal protective equipment must be worn at all times. As you can see, notice no vehicle is allowed with a distance of 5 feet. As you can see, first class waiting room. So this is the ticket area. Yeah man, so yes, I used to come and purchase on a ticket. As you can see the construction of the building. can see these lumbers, a lot of ears. So a lot of persons heard about the Kendal crash that happened in Manchester. A lot of persons' life has been taken in that crash. So this is the train station in Williamsfield, and a lot of persons supposed to heard about the Kendal crash. Yeah man, so the Kendal crash, worst railway disaster in Jamaica history. Yeah man, happened on September the 1st, 1957 at around 11:30 p.m. The train carries 1,600 passengers. Close to 200 persons lost their life in this Kendal crash. So this is one of the wheel sets. It was manufactured in UK. As you can see, the construction of the building, lots of cracks. So you can see an ancient days building. So it's a very nice weather in Mandeville today. Very cool weather. As you know, Mandeville is very cool from other parishes.